Hi guys, welcome to my channel Technical Transistor. And guys, today we will learn how to configure the power supply in the Proteus. Sorry. So in Proteus there is a something. It is very forgettable and it is very difficult to configure the power supply and it is very confusing. So today I will tell you how to configure the power supply in the Proteus. So you take the power supply from here, you click here and take the power from here and click here, left click here. Okay, so you will get the power supply symbol. So now we want to make it 3.3 volt, so you can put it name 3.3 volt. Okay, so now you select this and go to design and then configure power rails. Okay, so you will see here, this is power supply. So it is only name but it doesn't have the power. Okay, it is only name 3.3 volt. So how it will get the power? So here you have to go to in name and click here and you have to select here VCC. Okay, this is one name VCC, and here this is the actual voltage level you can put here. Right now this is 5 volt. Okay, so the power supply name only 3.3 volt but actual voltage is 5 volt. Okay, if you want to, I tell you. Okay, okay, you can do like this also. You can change the power. This is actual power and this is power supply name, so you can change it 3.3 volt. Only you have to write like this. Okay, voltage is here, and here what you have to do, click on this, left click, and here is a add option. Right now this is unconnected power net, this is not connected with this. Okay, and this is not connected with this, so we have to connect this power net with this. So for this we have to select it and then there is a add option. Okay, so add here, so it will jump here, it will shift here. So now this power rail is connected with VCC and its value is 3.3 volt. Okay, now click OK. So it is 3.3 volt, and how you can measure it? You can measure it by putting the multimeter. Okay, put here a resistance. Resistance you put. Yeah, you can measure the direct also. This is the instrument. Put here multimeter and click here like this, add, and put the ground level here. Okay, and run it, so it will show 3.3 volt. Okay, now we have to add the another power supply. Suppose we want to add 5 volt, so put here this. Okay, from here and give it name 5 volt. Okay, now it is only name 5 volt but it doesn't have the power supply. Okay, if you run this, so it will show the error also. You can see here no power supply is specified for net 5 volt. So it is only net, it is not power supply. So how we will add the power supply here? Click here, select it and go to configure power rail, and it will automatically come here. Okay, you select it and you have to give the name here. So this name we already taken for 3.3 volt and this is for a negative supply, so we can add the another net. So how we will add the another net? Click on new and put here name VCC1. Okay, VCC1, we have to give VCC1. Now you have to specify the voltage. So here is we want to keep the 5 volt, so here you put a 5 volt. Okay, now this is unconnected net, this is unconnected net. It still there is no power supply added in this, so this is showing unconnected net. So we have to shift this here, so it will connect to this. Okay, what will be selected here, so it will come automatically here, and this power supply and this power supply will connect this net. So here the add button, click here and it will come here. So this power supply connect to this net and its voltage level is 5 volt. So click OK. Now you can measure the voltage of this. Okay, so you add here and you run this. So this is 5 volt. Okay, like this you can configure other power supply. Put another power supply like power port, you put the power port and give the name it 12 volt. We want it 12 volt. So this is name only, still there is no power supply in this. So to make the power supply in this, go to design, go to configure power rail and click here. So this and this VCC and VDD we already taken, and VCC1 we already taken, and this is ground and this is minus voltage. So we have to take the another name. So click on new and VCC we will give the name VCC2. Okay, 2. Here we will set the voltage level, actual voltage level this will be. Okay, this is only name. So here is the voltage level. Now we have to, this is unconnected, so we have to connect with this net. So click on this and here is the add option. So click on add button, so it will shift here automatically. Now this 12 volt is connected to VCC2 and its voltage level is 12 volt. So click here OK. So okay, so now you will see this is the 12 volt power supply rail. Okay, so now I run this simulation, I do, so it is 12 volt. Okay, and I do the what student make the mistake. So suppose the student go to the power supply, select it 12 volt and go to configure power supply. Student generally do select here VCC, VDD, VCC1. So at VCC, VDD there is, this is the 3 volt. Okay, so what will happen, the 3 volt will come on that. So if you measure this, what will happen? No, it is not like that. There is something mistake happen. So you have to carefully assign the name like that. Okay, so I hope you got this point, and now you got to know that how to set the power supply, how to put the power supply in the Proteus, because it is very confusing. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe my channel and share to your friends. Thank you.